Kuringana na murugamiriri ruhonge-ini rwa kugacirithia tabarira cia urimi Peter Githunguri, thirikari nene ni gukorwo ikihura njeki urimi wa waru kaunti-ini ya Nakuru. Ruhonge ruru rukurutithania wira na arimi matanyihiire 3,000 kuma icigo itiganite kaunti-ini ino. Tabarira iria itanyitwo kuhuthira muigana wa ciringi mirioni 127.
Viazi ni mmea ambao unakuwa kwa muda mfupi sana, miezi 4 tumeanza kupata harvest ya kwanza. Kwa hivyo tunaweza tukakuza hata crops 2 ama 3 kwa mwaka moja, na hiyo itasaidia sana kupunguza mambo ya ukosefu wa chakula.
We want to encourage all farmers to join us as a union. Also because this is the way that we are going as per the crop regulations, the Irish potato regulation of 2019 that requires producers to be in producer organizations, but also to be able to meet the quantities that the market is demanding.
Ino no imwe ya kaunti iria arimi a waru megukorwo makihurwo njeki ni thirikari nene kuria mekuheo macini cia kurima, mateithiririo na mbegu cia waru ikinyaniirie ikiro, o undu umwe na guthondekerwo thito cia kuiga waru icio niguo kurigiriria guthuka gwacio,
which will really help us to curb incidence of diseases in the field and increase farmer yields from the current 12 tons per hectare to, well, hopefully over 25 tons per hectare.
Kaunti no iri na arimi a waru matanyihiire 20,000, muigana wa magetha ma waru ukirugamira tani 160, na kaunti no niyo ya keri kuruta magetha maria maingi ma waru thutha wa kaunti ya Nyandarua. Uthuthuria ukionania waru muthemba wa cangi niwe kuragio ni arimi aingi mwena uyu.
We have learned from reliable sources and even from the market that the potatoes from Nakuru are normally given priority number 1 when it comes to sourcing from the market end.
Hamwe noguo arimi aya ni mahetwo mathomo megemaine na urimi uyu, kuria ningi moritio gwethaga motaro mokinyaniru wa mbegu mbere ya mahandite. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.